Today's focus is creating spectacular photography here at the Motorbeurs. In my previous roadmap video, I explained what the difference is between taking and making photos, but today we're creating photos. And for creating photos, you have to involve a lot of other people to make sure that you get the picture that you want. That's one of the reasons why I'm here currently on the roof shooting the motor race. So the race is about to start, so I'm switching my autofocus mode from people to vehicles. And when you're creating photos, it is important that you collaborate with the right people. So you have to understand who plays which part in the process so you can create the right moments. But for now, let's hurry because there's going to be a fire show which I have to shoot. It's also important to listen to the music, because the timing of the music is also a moment that you can anticipate for something spectacular to happen. And when you want to try to capture these kind of spectacular moments, there can be a little bit of danger involved. Luckily, we're all working with professionals here, but it's always smart to check in with these professionals beforehand so you know what the safety rules are. I started this work as a photographer to make new friends. I printed out some gifts, so let's make my new friends happy. Let's go.
Wow,
Present!
Really?
Alsjeblieft.
Nice one!
It's amazing, right? Favorite pictures?
Yeah.
I took of the whole family.
Marcos!
Yeah, I love this.
I love it.
Amazing, right? Amazing day today. I collaborated with a lot of amazing people to create these amazing pictures. And if you want to collaborate with me to create amazing pictures, send me a message. I would love to see if I can help you out. And don't forget to make today awesome. Bye bye.